unbox the new type of AirPods. This is basically made for Android. This is the copy of the AirPods i7 mini. So without getting late, move towards the unboxing. Okay, so this is the box of these AirPods named i7 mini, made by TWS, or TWS abbreviation is that for twins. Anyway, so this comes from the battery. You can listen or receive and calls and listening music, recording audio and connectivity. So talking about the specifications of these AirPods, the specification is that its model name is i7 mini TWS wireless version with the 5.0. Oh my goodness, the Bluetooth is 5.0 installed in it. The speaker independence 32 ohms, and microphone sensitivity. It's has a great idea for the microphone here on this side. This is a microphone. Okay, so battery. The main thing is the battery and the frequency. It comes from the frequency of 2.4 gigahertz, and the battery capacity is 55 mAh and 600 mAh. The other version is the 400 mAh. This version is 600 mAh, so as a written on the box. So 55 mAh battery of AirPods and 600 mAh battery of the case of these AirPods. And the main thing is that the input 5-volt charger input, and playing time is 2 to 3 hours in charging. So without, let's get started to unboxing. So this is our AirPods, this one, and there's a data cable, and there is a specifications, and this is the manual for this using for these AirPods. Now open it. Oh damn it. So this is the removable cap of these AirPods as shown in this box. This cap is removable, and the other variant of the 1500 mAh AirPods, this variant can't remove. Okay, so check it out. I paired these AirPods. This button is for on and off. You're charging. The charging ports enter in this. As you see, this ports is. Okay. I paired these AirPods and checked the sound. Paired. I connected from the phone Moto G Play. This side. So listening to this. Of these AirPods is better than the other type of handpiece, the other type of AirPods. It's come in the less price and gives a better quality of sound. So this is the very great achievement for this company, for this AirPods. So I hope that you guys like our video, and my opinion about these AirPods is buy it, because in less price they become a greater thing for you. So this is Mubashir signing off. Mubashir Tech by Karachi Vlogs. Love.
Sorry, it's DJ.